Improperly discarded cigarettes and other smoking materials have long been a hazard, but their careless disposal can put citizens and visitors of Fairfax County at risk. The Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Department would like to remind all residents who smoke to keep in mind these safety tips as it relates to proper disposal of smoking materials. Never dispose of cigarettes in potting soil. The potting soil is not suitable for disposal of smoking materials. Never flick cigarettes into a mulch bed or shrubbery. Dispose of them in a suitable container, bucket of sand, or water. Do not dispose of smoking materials in trash cans. Ensure a designated outside smoking area has an appropriate fireproof cigarette receptacle or bucket. Completely douse cigarette with water before throwing them away, as they can smolder and cause a fire. Even if you smoke fire-safe cigarettes, you still need to dispose of them properly. Improperly discarded smoking materials is one of the leading causes of fires in Fairfax County. Gotta smoke it, sink it, or soak it.